In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share tasks on Microsoft To Do. Microsoft To Do is a fantastic tool for organizing your day-to-day tasks, both for personal and professional use. One of its nifty features is task sharing, which allows you to collaborate on projects and tasks with others effortlessly. Today, we're going to look at how you can share your tasks on Microsoft To Do, so let's dive in. First, start by navigating to the Welcome to To-Do page. Here you'll find a very user-friendly interface where you can manage your tasks effectively. Once you're there, the next step is to sign into your account. Click on Sign In and be ready to enter your credentials. After clicking on Sign In, you'll be prompted to type in your email. Make sure to input the email associated with your Microsoft account. Once done, click on the next button to proceed. This leads you to the authentication stage where you may need to enter your password, or perhaps even use two-factor authentication depending on your settings. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to the My Day To Do page. This page is where the magic happens, your task heaven, if you will. It's where all your daily tasks align, waiting for your action. Here, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout and the different task lists you've created. Now for the main event, sharing your tasks. Navigate your cursor to select the list you want to share. This could be any list you've created, perhaps a project you're working on with colleagues, or even household chores with your roommate or partner. After selecting the desired list, look for the Share button. This button is your gateway to collaborative productivity. Clicking on it opens up the options for how you can share your list. For our purposes today, we'll focus on creating an invitation link. Click on Create Invitation Link. This generates a unique link that you can send to anyone you want to have access to the list. With the invitation link generated, you have a couple of options on how to proceed. One straightforward method is to click on Invite via email. This allows you to directly send the invitation to your collaborators' email addresses. If their emails are already linked through your Microsoft account, it could even auto-suggest those emails, making your task even easier. Alternatively, if you'd prefer to share the link via another medium, or perhaps you want to include it in a group chat, you can click on Copy Link. This copies the invite link to your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you'd like. And just like that, you've shared your task list. The recipient of your invitation link or email just needs to click on the link, sign into their Microsoft account if necessary, and they will have access to the shared task list. From then on, you can collaboratively add, complete, and manage tasks together. Remember, sharing tasks can profoundly enhance productivity, especially in a team setting. Whether you're delegating tasks at work, organizing a community project, or simply managing a grocery list with your partner, Microsoft To Do's sharing feature makes it incredibly easy and efficient. There you have it, a simple yet comprehensive guide to sharing your tasks on Microsoft To Do. By now you should be fully equipped to start sharing tasks with friends, family, or colleagues, transforming individual productivity into collective success. Remember, staying organized has never been easier thanks to features like these. So go ahead, start sharing, and see how it revolutionizes the way you tick off those to-do list items. Happy collaborating!